Hey, beautiful people. What up, though? Today we are going through Homegoods, and Homegoods is literally my favorite home decor store right now. Homegoods, the reason why I like them is because they have all kinds of decor that they source from all around the world. This home decor was the bomb.com. Right here is all of the little Valentine's stuff, but we're gonna get into the good stuff. Um, what I love again about home decor is that their decor pieces are sourced from all around the world, and you can find beautiful pieces for your home for every decor style. Of course, we're the bougie bohemian style over here, and so we love all things bohemian, all things African, Afro bohemian style. And so you're gonna see some of that stuff in this store. And I love a good accent chair. And we're gonna talk about that when we get over there to that section of the store. But here is all of their Easter decor. I think they had like maybe two aisles of Easter decor. Me, I tend to not decorate for holidays anymore just because I like being lazy because I don't want to clean this stuff up afterwards. But yeah, they had all the things for the holidays. And here is just some home decor. I love all things wood as well. Okay, yeah, here's the other aisle of Easter decor. But yeah, I am not uh into decorating on holidays anymore. Just really simply because taking all of that stuff down can be a chore. And I have simplified my life. At least I've tried to. But I love looking at the stuff. These poofs right here, I love mustard. I love the color mustard. I'm into that color right now. And those poofs are so cute. Okay, we're getting into some more Easter decor. That was a cute little bunny stacked on top of each other and the little bunny nutcracker. What I'm looking at is this right here. Cute, cute, cute. I love all of these baskets. This is more tribal design. Love, love, love. If I can get the tag flipped over. These lamps right here are sort of like rattan lamps. Love. They even have black. This section right here, I believe it's like because this is Black History Month, and so this is the African Asian inspired section here. I loved all of these decor pieces. Loved it. But I'm rambling on and on. How are you today? Welcome to the Bougie Bohemian Life channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you here on this channel. I'm going to let you sit back and see all the things that they had in this amazing store. But before I go, let's talk about these. I want um a console table so bad. And this one right here really caught my eye. All this whole little section right here caught my eye. Look at this little stand right here, and the price is not bad at all. That's why I love home decor. The price is not bad at all. Cute, cute, cute. Love the wood stain. On around the corner here, look at this piece. Man, that is such a cute bookshelf. The price is reasonable. Love it. It's like that, what would you call that? Raw cut wood. These side tables, really cute too. They did have two of them if you wanted to. And I think that's a cord for a charging station. I was looking at the drawer to see if I could see the charging station, but that's the only thing I could think of. It had a charging station. These chairs right here, love, love, love. Yeah, if you're into trends, the color green is on trend for 2022. And these chairs are super, super cute. If you watched my restoration hardware video, there were some chairs in there similar to this style, and those chairs I believe were $800. This chair is $349. Cute, cute, cute. And then on around is a smaller bookshelf, like the other one on the other side. But yeah, I just had to talk about this whole little section right here because cute. Love it. So I'm going to stop talking and rambling on and let you enjoy all the things in Homegoods.
Lately my thoughts got me distant. Darker days filling up darker minds. Stuck in this room that keeps spinning, wondering how you been, where you hide. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. No, no, no. Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking, what if you were here? Morning waking, heart still aching, something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night, I don't wanna put up a fight, I don't wanna trouble you, babe, but I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind, can't go one more day without you. Can't go one more day without you. my show. Now I found a home, I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I need you, I'm needy, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying up.
If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Didn't Homegoods just have all the things? Love, love, love. Again, if you're new here and you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. I would love to have you over here on the channel. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.